Our next speaker is Zenobia. She has got a Feng Shui Academy. Nationally and internationally, she is teaching. She is doing lots of Feng Shui for celebrities and for international clients also. So let's welcome Zenobia.
Thank you so much. Sabne khana kha liya. I'm going to make sure you don't sleep. So the first thing I'd like you to do is I'd like to share with you that I'm a consultant. I teach about 20 modalities for the last 30 years. And I've been doubling the turnover of multinational celebrities worldwide. I'm so honored. Ashok Bhai, thank you so much. Hindi mein, okay. Ashok Bhai ne invite kiya. Ashok Bhai, thank you so much. आज आप क्या चाहते हैं? आई टीच 20 थिंग्स. मुझे पूछना है, आज मैं आपको टिप्स दे दूं. आपने बहुत ज्ञान सुना है. शुड आई शेयर समथिंग विथ यू जो आप घर जाके करके एक्चुअली आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो? शुड आई डू दैट? लाउडर. वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल. ओके. मेरे इतने सालों में 20 साल से एक चीज है, एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, वेदर इट्स दुबई, सिडनी, वेयर एवर, इज द यूज ऑफ सॉल्ट. ये नमक एक ऐसी चीज है, आप दिल से उसमें ध्यान दे के आपके इंटेंशन डालो. आई हैव सीन लाइव्स चेंजिंग. व्हाट यू डू? सॉल्ट घर के 4 कोने में, अक्खा नमक, खरा नमक. और एक बार सेमिनार के 1 साल बाद एक लेडी आई, मैडम आपने बताया नहीं कांच का कटोरा या प्लास्टिक, इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया. तो प्लीज डोंट मेक दैट द स्टोरी ऑफ योर लाइफ. ओपन सॉल्ट घर के 4 कोने में, एवरी बेडरूम में एक, ऑलवेज ओपन, क्योंकि सॉल्ट नेगेटिविटी अब्सॉर्ब करती है. सॉल्ट वाटर से स्नान कीजिए, सॉल्ट वाटर का बाथ. प्लीज स्वॉप योर फ्लोर्स विथ सॉल्ट. और आप एक कटोरे में आपका जो फिनाइल है उसमें डाल दीजिए, नेचुरली रोज हो जाएगा. Dip your feet in salt. When you dip your feet in salt, it's called a karmic release. It removes all negative. You haven't a clue. आप नमक at least faithfully 3 weeks, 1 moon cycle करके देखिए. I've seen years of bad luck, negativity, everything beginning to move. कोई भी चीज एक दिन में अगर अचानक ठीक होगी ना तो अचानक आ जाएगी. Anything that goes gradually, wait be. When you gradually remove it, everything good happens. You'll give me the slide? Thanks. Okay. ये मैं शेयर करना चाहती हूँ आपसे. ये मैजिकल नंबर्स है. अगर आपको पेन है तो प्लीज लिख लीजिए. ये एक नंबर है हार्मनी का. These are switch words and numbers. Very few people teach this. 2855555901. It's written here 2854 times 901. आप अपने हाथ पे लिखिए, पेपर पे. Put it on your clothes, on your collar. जहाँ घर में झगड़ा होते हो, बेड के नीचे एक छोटे पेपर पे. Write it 21 times at least. You have no idea how a harmony will begin in your house. And apart from that, it works very well on water, पानी के ऊपर. तो पानी का बॉटल पे लिखिए, एक पेपर रख के 20 मिनट 21 मिनट के लिए वो बॉटल पेपर के ऊपर रखे. You try this and you tell me next year things aren't better. Next. Can you help me with the slide? Thank you. और ये वहां कीजिए जहाँ really disharmony हो, जहाँ really. मैंने I read it out. वापस बोलो. 2855555901. Next. ओके. अगर आपका वेट हो, आप एक काम कीजिए, बाद में वो सीडी आपको दे देंगे. प्लीज कलेक्ट इट एंड ऑल दीज नंबर्स. दिस इज द नंबर फॉर वेट लॉस. 3122778. नेक्स्ट. दिस इज, हम क्यों काम अच्छा नहीं करते? क्योंकि एज, क्लैरिटी, करेज और कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है. तो can you get the CD from him? He'll give you all of them. Yeah, afterwards just take it from me. And I'll tell you one thing. मैं एक WhatsApp ग्रुप हमेशा बनाती हूँ और हर एक डिजीज आप क्वेश्चंस पूछिए. I'll give you everything. You can just note down later my number. This is for faith and courage. Next. I'll give them all the numbers later. Okay, this is when you want to win. अगर आप court case में जा रहे हो, studies में, job में, you want to win an interview. This is the number to win in life. Next. This is for cash flow. I will put you all into the group and give you all the numbers. Trust me. Next. I'm just giving you a slight idea. This is the number of good luck. मैं आपको सब WhatsApp करूंगी. Don't worry. The next. Because I've only got 20 minutes. Okay, ये लिखी है. This is the strongest number where money flows. I'll read it out. 82712804. You know, there are 1,000 numbers out of which I've studied the last 20 years. These really work. So you just try this, keep it in your wallet. और जब भी आप किसी को नोट देते हो, एक याद रखना एक टिप मनी का, fold the note towards you और फिर दीजिए. It will help the person and money will flow with the two numbers facing you. Try it out. Okay, next. Now I'll give you a tips on money. Money is in the southeast. Normally, whenever you have blocked checks, clear and unclutter the southeast of your home. Southeast is for money. North is for work. जब work opportunities stuck हो जाती है, unclutter your home in the north. Got it? और relationship का tip आज, southwest is the place for relationships. अगर relationships गड़बड़ है, the color yellow is for stability. तो use yellow in your bedroom or in the southwest of your house. पैसे भी आएगा in south and southwest. पैसे भी आएगा और relationship भी अच्छे हो जाएंगे. Try this tip of southwest. It's very powerful. और एक चीज करना है जिसके relationships थोड़ी गड़बड़ है. What you do is you take a table, okay, in the southwest or anywhere in your house. Make a relationship table. उस पे आप 2 candles, everything in pairs. 2 ducks, you can put 2 flowers. Husbands, please 2 flowers लाइए. Give it to your wife and let the wife put it. और एक marriage picture. आप मुझे बता सकते हैं marriage picture क्यों? Anybody? Because that was the only time you are happy. Okay, so please see that you have a marriage picture. Look after that relationship corner. It's very powerful. Today I'm only going to give you tips because you'll probably take them home. Okay, very, very important. और मैं joke नहीं कर रही हूँ. वास्तव में जब woman is the Lakshmi, जब वो खुश होती है ना, पैसे आपके घर में आएंगे. Trust me. Keep the woman in your house happy and you have no idea how money will flow. Please believe me, woman is the yin energy, the yin, the mata. When the woman wear piles and walk, actually negativity निकल जाती है. And light 2 diyas if you can. The Indian flame is the epitome of removing negative energy. लोग हजारों चीज करते, लेकिन जो सबसे शुद्ध हो जाए, जो एक दिया, अगर एक दिन में दिया जलाइए. और मैंने देखा है कोई कोई घर में, जब मैं वास्तु करती हूँ, अर्ली मॉर्निंग एक आदमी प्रे करता है, अगरबत्ती ऐसा ऐसा एक फोन के साथ, यू नो, और जल्दी दिया जलाता है. इट्स नो यूज, देन डोंट लाइट इट. वो 1 सेकंड आपका और आपके क्रिएटर का कनेक्शन है. So please put your whole heart and soul, and whatever you wish, light 1 diya from the heart. और दिया जलाना कुछ इतनी महंगी चीज नहीं है. Please do it, but the results will be fabulous. हमारे जो 5 तत्व है, दिया is one of the tattvas. Please do it. अगरबत्ती जलाइए. 3 अगरबत्ती is very good. The number 3 means stopper of evil. Okay, so try your best. मंदिर में हम घंटी 3 बार करते हैं. Clap your hands 3 times. Pranic healing में we cleanse the aura like this 3 times. Try and do it. Clip your fingers 3 times. This all will remove negativity. The next. Okay. ये 4 शब्द है. They are magical. It's called divine. Say it loudly. Divine, magic, begin. Now, आप ट्राई कीजिए. कभी भी कोई भी तकलीफ हो, ट्रैफिक हो ना, तो बोलो डिवाइन मैजिक बिगिन नाउ. और देखना कैसे ट्रैफिक is anything. You're in a train, you're missing something. 4 powerful switch words. Please आप ट्राई कीजिए. Very, very powerful. आपकी लाइफ एक्चुअली, ये चीजें जो आज मैंने बोला है, your life will change. Trust me. Next. Okay. This is to remove negativity. Next. I'll post them all to you. This, अगर कोई sales करता हो LIC, this activates sales, trainers. When you want people into your training, when you start your brochure, write this number. Next. Okay, now you can go much further because we have only 20 minutes. You go much further. All right. Now I'd like you to, till this ends, keep going. I'd like you to put your papers down. एक और fabulous चीज है जिससे आपका लाइफ शुरू होता है suddenly, जैसे आप imagine नहीं करेंगे. Put your hand like this, both hands, okay, and just repeat after me. Everybody, put your pen down. Don't worry. आपको WhatsApp group में ये मैं message कर लूँगी. You all can contact me. Say, I release. I can't hear you. भगवान भी सुन नहीं सकेगा. Loudly. And tap here, both hands. I release all oaths, vows, and curses in this lifetime and in any other lifetime, either that I have given to anyone or that anyone has given to me, knowingly or unknowingly. Thank you, God. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now. दिन में एक बार कीजिए. You just try this magical. It's amazing. Okay? You can write my number 98-203-08-163. 98-203-08-163. मुझे एक WhatsApp कीजिए. I'll send you all the switch word numbers, especially to this gentleman. वो परेशान हो रहे थे, मैंने लिखा नहीं. आपको भेज दूंगी. 98-203-08-163. And all my videos are on a blog, zenobiakhodaiji.co.in. I'll WhatsApp it to you. Now the important thing after this, you have used candles, you have used incense, diya jalaya hai, you make your relationship corner at home, you've understood all these, say yes? Yes. Okay, now one more important thing, जब हम NLP सिखाते हैं, the first thought in the morning जो आप सोचेंगे, पूरा दिन उस हिसाब से चलेगा. Do you believe me or not? Yes. Fine. So how do you get up in the morning? Okay, somebody gets up, oh God, आज ये काम है, ये काम है. No. First thing when you get up in the morning, believe me, touch Mother Earth like this. Can you all stand up 1 minute? Just so that you get to do it. Okay? When you bend down, एक तो झुकना मतलब ईगो भी नीचे जाता है ना. Very important. और धरती माँ पे हम चलते हैं. कितनी बार हमने इस माँ को thank you बोला है. Touch Mother Earth, both hands. Okay, and bow down to the 4 directions. Just अपने घर के 4 कोने में. Just bow down. It's very wonderful way of getting up. Okay, and when you do that, got it? You've bowed down. Then put your hands up. माँ नीचे होती है, माँ नीचे और your Father in heaven. And look up and make a command. Today is going to be a wonderful day. Today is a wonderful day. Can you do that much for me? If from tomorrow and then, रुकिए, फिर आप बाथरूम में जाएंगे, yes or no? Good. वहाँ एक आईना होगा. You look into the mirror, put your hand as if this is the mirror, and say, Zenobia, I love you. Zenobia मत बोलना, आप अपना नाम बोलेंगे. Okay, so put your hand up and अपना नाम loudly. Zenobia, I love you. God won't hear you. You have to tell the universe again. Okay, so are you all with me? The name, okay, you can sit down. सब नंबर आपको दे दूंगी. I promise you. इसके बाद I'll give you the number for sure. All the numbers. All right? Okay, is everyone happy? Will you try once in your lifetime to get up and tell your body? You know, someone in the morning said, Mr. Nathani said, if you can't, Mr. Nathani is my teacher, he said, if you can't love your body yourself, you cannot love your husband, you cannot love your wife, you can't even love God. if you can't love yourself. So first thing, look into your eyes. It's very important. और जिस दिन आपने कुछ गलत किया है ना, you will find yourself looking ugly. Trust me. And someday when you've done something wonderful, next morning, आप देखेंगे कि वाह मेरा चेहरा इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. Believe me, you will see this. Will you do that? Yes. Say yes loudly. And once a day, I'm only today I decided, I was asking Nitin, क्या बताओ कौन से topic, then he said tips, we were talking. I want you every day also, आपको कभी heart attack नहीं होगा, if you tap your chest every day. मैं जब गाड़ी चलाती हूँ signal पे, I do this every day. दिन में 3 बार 4, you just align all your body. It's very, very, very important. और जो पानी आप पीते हैं, health के लिए, the पानी जो आप पीते हैं, वो अगर अल्कलाइन हो तो इट इज वेरी गुड. तो लींबू, एक ड्रॉप लींबू एवरी मॉर्निंग, हनी एंड वाटर, प्लीज एटलीस्ट डू दैट मच. जितना हो सके ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, मेक श्योर दैट यू ब्रिंग दैट इनटू योर लाइफ एंड योर लाइफ विल चेंज. ऑलवेज बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट. ओके. Have an amazing day. रोज सुबह you get up before leaving the house, say I'm going to have an amazing day. बोलो. Today, sir has made it possible for you to have an amazing day. Please say thank you to him. Ashok bhai ki wajah se you've had an amazing day. Next. Okay. Loudly. I am a natural winner. Again. So nice with all your body. Next. Okay. These 5 lines, kabhi din mein ek baar, please click this. It's wonderful. Say first, I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner. Today is my day. जब भी आप कुछ win करना चाहते हो, वो winning number और claim to the universe. Today is going to be my day. Wonderful day. Next. जब this is very important. अगर आप body is the only place you have to live in, और कोई जगह है जहाँ आपका सोल रहेगा till you're alive, it's in your body. हम क्या करते हैं, हम एक ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर, ब्रेकफास्ट छोटा लगते हैं, लंच थोड़ा ज्यादा और डिनर बहुत बड़ा. That's not good for health. Breakfast you have to have like a king, lunch like a queen, and dinner they say like a pauper. जितना कम खाओ, 7 बजे के पहले खाइए. Don't start eating मिठाई and fruits in the night. जो फल खाते हो, it's better in the daytime, much before 3 o'clock. इस simple tip भी आप follow करो ना, your life will change. Your body achieves what your mind believes. I do seminars only on mind management. Believe me, इसको आपने कर लिया ना तो सब कर लिया. The monkey mind only tells you. अगर आज मैं बोलूं कि आप मिस अशोक भाई ने लाल शर्ट पहना है, आप प्लीज वो लाल शर्ट के बारे में मत सोचिए. आप क्या सोचेंगे? Only what a nice red shirt it is. और कोई ख्याल आएगा? That's the thing. You have to be the controller of the mind. The mind doesn't have to control you. Okay. Now am I on time? I didn't even, I have 5 more minutes. Okay. Any questions? Anybody having any questions? I teach for 8-10 hours a day. लेकिन आज timer I kept के next speaker भी है. Any other this thing that you have? Any questions anybody has? Yeah? No, you write it on your paper. You can write it in a blue pen. You can put it in your fridge for food. If you want your food to be well, you write it on a school children's bag, the numbers of courage. There is a number for knee pain, a number for heart, every disease and everything. There's a number for fertility. But by and large, these numbers, believe in them. Write them as if really, take your Guru's blessings before you start writing the number. 21 times write it, keep it with you. And it works wonderful. They're called switch words. Okay, I'll give you that also. You WhatsApp to me. Ye gentleman ko bhi I'll 100% give you. And please, the important thing whenever you are working, the important thing is to believe what you do and make sure that if your health is right, people want wealth, Zenobia, give me tips on wealth. Okay, if you want to become famous, all of you all are here in this healing line, a tip for fame is keep a picture of a red horse on the south wall. Make sure that you light a diya there. Make sure your awards, when I do film star homes, all the awards we put on the south wall. Have yellow color and red color on the south wall. These are genuine tips that will work. I have worked them the way I had a wonderful guru who passed away last year, Kashinathan sir. And it's very important that when you do what you're doing 100%, not 99%. And husbands, please today take home 2 flowers for your wife and see how money starts coming to you. Believe me, the moment the woman energy is happy, money will start flowing, for sure. You were saying something? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Sorry?
very much.
Yes. Please contact me at zenobiakhodaiji.co.in. All my videos on money, on health, on every single thing is there on my YouTube blog. So you're most welcome, and I'll repeat my number again. 98203 08163, and God bless you all. I'm ending quickly because lots of speakers are left still, and a wonderful speaker, Cyrus, is there. So God bless you all. And anything you want to ask me, I'm sitting there. Only smiling lady. Trust me, smile at yourself every morning and count your blessings. Be grateful to the universe. Gratitude is the secret. Today I am very grateful to the Indian Conference of Alternate Medicine and to Sixth Sense Holistic Health Sciences and to our holistic medicine. Ashok Bhai, from my heart, thank you very much. Thank you for this lovely opportunity. God bless you. I know Ashok Bhai for a long time, and thank you so
Ladies and
much.
gentlemen, a big
God
round of applause
bless
for Zenobia Khodaiji.
Come sir, आप फोटो में नहीं आते हैं.